Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Liz, or if you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Lizzy. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. We are going to be in the kitchen cooking today. I have a delicious recipe for you. It is a chicken avocado egg salad, which is so healthy. It's full of nutrient-dense ingredients. It's also easy to make, and it's perfect for summer. It's very refreshing and delicious. I can't wait to share it with you guys. I'm also going to be sharing with you a hummus recipe, and I love snacking on hummus, especially being pregnant. It's very healthy, full of protein, and just a really quick, delicious, healthy snack. And then I'm also going to be sharing a hack with you. It's one of my favorite hacks ever, and it is how to cut a watermelon. And this hack seriously is life-changing. I love watermelon. I'm obsessed with watermelon, but I always dread buying watermelon because I don't ever want to cut it. It's such a pain in the butt. So I have a hack for you guys, and it's going to change your life. So I really hope you enjoy it. If you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so you don't ever miss one of my videos. I would love to have you be a part of my channel, and let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to quickly just tell you what ingredients you're going to need for the chicken avocado egg salad. We're gonna make that first. You're going to need eggs, of course. You are going to need chicken. You can cook up some chicken breasts, or what I did is just went ahead and bought a rotisserie chicken. It's really easy. 2 avocados, red onion, lemon, bacon. I already had some in the freezer, so I'm just pulling it out to thaw. But your favorite kind of bacon, a can of corn, sour cream, mayonnaise. I love to get the one that is olive oil based. You are going to need seasonings, salt, pepper, yellow mustard, or you can just use regular mustard if you have it. I don't have any, so this is what I'm going to use. And then you can also put on some fresh dill on top, which I do not have either, unfortunately, so I'm gonna be leaving that out. But if you do have some dill, go ahead and use that. So you do have a little bit of prep work for the chicken avocado egg salad. You want to cook up some bacon. I am using turkey bacon just because it's a little bit leaner and a little bit healthier, so I prefer to go that route, but you can use regular bacon as well. I'm also hard boiling some eggs. I have this handy dandy fancy hard boiled egg maker, but if you don't have this, go ahead and just boil some eggs in a regular pot like you normally would. If you are using a rotisserie chicken like I did, you want to go ahead and shred all of that up. And then we also need to chop up our onions, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do next. Okay, so our onion is chopped. Next we are going to crumble up our cooked bacon. Okay, so this is the main ingredients for the salad. So I went ahead, like I showed you, I cooked and chopped up some bacon. I went ahead and chopped up an onion. This is 1 cup of canned corn. I went ahead and chopped up 1 avocado, shredded apart some chicken. You can do chicken breast or rotisserie chicken like I did. And then I hard boiled 4 eggs, and then I went ahead and peeled them, and I'm gonna chop those up as well. So this is everything that's going in the salad. Now we are gonna go ahead and make the dressing. Okay, so we are starting with 1/3 cup of mayo, 1/3 cup of sour cream. We're going to squeeze in about 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of mustard. I'm just gonna use the yellow mustard powder, and then salt and pepper to taste. If you have fresh dill, you can go ahead and add that as well. So, we are gonna go ahead and add all of our ingredients in just to a large bowl. Mix everything together. Okay, And then you can add however much or however little. You can literally eat it like this if you want, but if you want some of the dressing, I'm just gonna put a little bit in to start. And then if I need to add more, I can. All right guys, and that is it. This is our chicken avocado egg salad, and we are going to go ahead and give it a taste test. Okay, so now we are going to be moving on to the hummus recipe, and the ingredients you are going to need for this one: garbanzo beans, chickpeas, some onion, lemon, garlic. You need some tahini and sea salt. Also need something to dip your hummus. So I got two things because I couldn't decide which one I wanted, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get them both. So I got some baby carrots because hummus and carrots are like peanut butter and jelly. They just go together. So carrots, and then a slightly less healthier option, but seriously, what's better than pita chips and hummus too? This is just the Stacy's Simply Naked pita chips. So I will probably do a few pita chips and a few carrots. Okay, so moving on to the hummus recipe, you're going to need a food processor or some type of blender. A food processor is going to definitely work the best. So step one is you're gonna add your tahini, 3 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a half of a teaspoon of cumin. So I'm just gonna kind of sprinkle that in there. 3/4 teaspoon of salt. So we are just gonna sprinkle some in there. 2 cloves of garlic. So I'm just going to be using this minced garlic that's already done for you. So now we're adding in 1 can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans. They're the same thing, and you want to make sure you drain them and rinse them. And then we're just going to go ahead and put this back on. Okay, so this is the final product. You can use carrots, pita chips, whatever. Make sure you store it in the refrigerator. It is a lot better when it's cold. Let's try it out. Now, moving on to our watermelon hack. You guys, let me just tell you, I saw this on, I want to say Facebook or something, and I was like, there is no way that that's gonna work. I tried it, and it is amazing. It is life-changing. I am seriously so excited. So all you're going to need is your watermelon. I like to get the personal ones because it's just me and little baby boy in the tummy right now. Hubby's still deployed, so I can't go through a whole entire watermelon by myself before it goes bad. So I go with the personal ones, but if you have a big family, go ahead and get yourself a big old watermelon. You're going to need some dental floss. Not the pick ones, but the ones that actually like string, you know? And then that is it. So we are going to cut this bad boy up. Okay, so here's your watermelon hack. I took a watermelon, I went ahead and just cut it in half and then half again. So I have 4 pieces. You want to make sure you have little edges like this. So you are just going to take some dental floss. You're gonna get a pretty decent size. Then you are just going to wrap it around your fingers. So you just have it tight like that. And then all you're gonna do is start at one side, put the dental floss in the watermelon, and then literally just go all the way across. Like that. And then once you do the bottom, you take it and you just make slices like this. Okay. And then take your Tupperware and it literally all falls right in. So once you get the hang of holding the watermelon and moving the floss at the same time, this becomes super easy. Seriously, I cut up this watermelon in probably about 5 minutes, probably even less than that. So that's awesome. That's a win for me in my book. Definitely try it out. And voila, there's our cut watermelon. And that is your watermelon hack. Alright guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you try out some of these recipes. They are delicious and perfect for the summer. Easy, healthy, simple, and just very refreshing for those warmer days right around the corner. So if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. And I will see you guys next time on Life with Liz. Bye guys.